So to begin with, I'm showing you 1 kilogram of whole okra, just to give a look at how it comes before cutting. Next, you can see I've sliced all the okra. I didn't cut them too small, just medium-sized so they hold shape while cooking. I've taken a handy and turned on the flame. Into it, I'm adding 1 cup of oil and letting it warm up a little. Once the oil is heated, I've added 3 medium-sized onions, thinly sliced. I'm stirring them gently and frying until they turn a nice light golden brown, not dark, just enough for sweetness and color. Once they're done, I'm straining them out of the oil and keeping them aside for later use. In the same oil, I'm now adding the sliced okra we prepared earlier. We'll fry the bhindi on low to medium flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. The goal here is to cook the slime out and make them tender but still intact. Once fried, I've again strained the bhindi and set it aside in a separate bowl. Back to the handy now with that same flavorful oil. I'm adding half a teaspoon of carom seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and about 1/4 teaspoon of hing asafoetida. I give that a light saute. The aroma at this stage is just amazing. Next goes in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and I saute that for about 1 to 2 minutes until the raw smell disappears. Now I'm adding 2 chopped green chilies for that fresh spicy kick. After stirring that in, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, giving it all a good stir. Then comes the tomato paste, made from 2 large tomatoes. It adds body to the masala. Once that's mixed in well, I'm adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and salt to taste. I cook this masala for a couple of minutes until it all blends beautifully. Now it's time to add the star ingredient, 700 grams of minced meat, or Qeema. I mix it in thoroughly, making sure every bit of meat is coated in the masala. Then I let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. After mixing it well, I cover it with a lid and let it simmer on low flame for 10 minutes to develop deeper flavor. After 10 minutes, I open the lid, give it a good stir again, and now I'm adding 1 cup of yogurt. The yogurt gives the Qeema a rich, smooth texture and adds that subtle tanginess. I keep cooking until I see the oil separate from the masala. That's a sign that everything is well cooked and the flavors are perfectly balanced. I'm also adding 2 whole green chilies on top for a fresh pop of flavor. Now I'm adding back those fried onions that we had kept aside earlier. This adds a beautiful sweetness and depth to the dish. I mix it gently. Now it's time to add in the fried bhindi. Make sure to fold it in slowly. We don't want the okra to break. Once everything is well mixed, I'm covering the pot again for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame, just to let all the flavors come together and infuse beautifully. And that's it! Our delicious Qeema bhindi is ready. Look at that beautiful oil on top and how perfectly cooked the bhindi and mince are. I've turned off the flame now and we're ready to serve. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing home-style recipes.